Welcome to Adam and Val YouTube channel. I'm just going to show you a new thing YouTube have put up. Sorry that I'm filming this handheld and the lighting's not perfect. It's dark in here and I've got this like light ring. I'll show you at the end. I'll show you this light ring at the end. I'm just going to show you this. So that's just me explaining it's going to be a little bit shaky. You can see the white circles in my eyes. That's the light thing. I'll show you that in a second. YouTube have just changed this. They've just put this up. Have a look at this. So if you've uploaded videos to YouTube before, you'd be aware of this screen. You click video to upload and it just goes upload video. But I've got one here, upload video beta. So what we're going to do, we're going to change the screen round. I'm going to show you, or we're going to have a look at what's different with this upload video beta that YouTube, it must have just gone on today, especially in the UK, it must have just gone on today because I uploaded a video yesterday and I didn't notice it. So let's go and have a look at that feature. So here we are, as you can see, there's the normal upload and there's a new one, uploading beta. When you click it, it brings up this screen. You can select your file, find your file. This is the one I'm going to upload. I've uploaded it. It's there. The file's loading up. We're on 2%. So it shows you your time there. You've got Ice Brew. That's the name of it, the name I saved the file. I'm just going to change that to the name I wanted. That's quite easy to do. You can change the name of it. That's done there. Let's just move this down and along a bit. What else we've got? We can do our thumbnail. So we'll put my thumbnail on. My thumbnail's in. Go up to here with 21%. 21 seconds to go. It's all 100% done. There's nothing else really on this screen. So let's click next. Click next to stand at the bottom. This is what else is on there. You can playlist, cards, tags, end screen, language, subtitles, categories, video location. These are the extra features. Recording date, licenses, etc. Additional features. I will add an end screen, just a standard end screen I'll add there that I had on most of the videos. We'll come down. There's nothing else really here we need. We'll click next. On the next page, we've got a few options. We can have it unlisted, private, you can schedule it, etc. All this stuff we've pretty much seen before. That's pretty much done. And we'll publish it. We'll click publish, we'll click next. It should come up that it's published. It's just doing its final checks and it's all published. And there it's got all the links where you can share it, your blogger, your Facebook, your Twitter, etc. So there we go. That was it. That was it. It's pretty simple. Sometimes things get changed for the sake of getting changed. I don't believe the upload feature on YouTube needed changing at all, really. I was used to the old one. I found the old one, probably because I've been using it so long, I found it perfectly fine. There weren't no issues with it. This one seems a little bit basic. It's like for new people getting onto YouTube, it's really straightforward and simple, and that's the perfect option to do. But it's a little bit too... They're helping you out with the steps, as in before you just upload a video and you can do your tags and your thumbnail and everything. It's all on one screen, how it is before. But now it's like click the next screen, click the next screen. It's more basic, but it's more of a hassle if you ask me. I don't think it needs changing. Like I said, I think it's one of them things that's being changed for the sake of being changed. YouTube, you're probably not watching this. Don't bother about this one. Really honestly, don't bother. I found nothing any easier. If anything, it was more of an hassle because you have to keep going back to the next page and it ain't quite easy to go back a step to change it. It's just not how it is now. It's just all on one screen. It's simple, it's easy to use, but that is probably because I've been using it for a while. If you are new to it, you might find this new way easier. And that's about it. That's literally about it. That's my thoughts and opinions on it. Try it out for yourself. If you're uploading some videos, try it out. YouTube implement these betas for a little while and then all of a sudden it's there all the time and we ain't got a choice, and it'll be there all the time soon. If they like it, if that's the way they want to go, it'll be there all the time. So if you're uploading videos regular, like me and Val do, regular daily videos from Adam and Val, sometimes 2, 3, 4, sometimes even 25 videos a day. We also do a podcast, so check that podcast out. There will be links down below. But going back to this, like I say, if you are a daily uploader, check it out because you're probably going to have to use it at some stage. I'll just show you this little light that I promised you at the start that I was going to show you. It's this light ring because the lighting in my house ain't that good. It's a bit of an old English house where the lights are all dim and everything, and if I want to film everything at night, if I don't go downstairs to my made up studio, it's a bit of an hassle. So I've borrowed this light ring off the daughter. She does it to do her makeup and stuff. Hold on, I'm just trying to undo this wire so I can show you this part. It's got a little control. it's got a little control and you can change the colour settings. Look. Oh, that's very cold white. That's yes, even colder. That's going almost going blue. And that's very yellow, very warm. And each one of these you go in, you can up the brightness of it. Look how bright that is. And we go through. Look how bright the blue one can get. We can change it. Look at that yellow, bright one. But then you can dial it down and you can try to get the perfect setting for you. It's quite good. I don't mind this. It's quite handy. And I'm filming this handheld. And I can try to find the most natural light. There we go. Remember to subscribe to the Adam and Val YouTube channel for more daily videos, helpful videos, advice, tips, and a lot of eating.